Good evening and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Jericho Primary from Linstead up against Foundation Prep from Maypen. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Foundation Prep 1. They decided to have Jericho Primary play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. With that time on the clock, we begin section 1 with Jericho. Jericho, we begin with Bible knowledge. What was Matthew's occupation?
Tax collector.
That's correct. Foundation, Bible knowledge. To which city was Saul traveling when he encountered a great and blinding light?
Damascus.
That's right. Jericho science. Which part of the carrot plant is used for food?
Root.
That's correct. Foundation science. Which part of a plant helps it to take in mineral salts?
The roots.
That's correct. Jericho International Affairs. It's a visual question. So team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Donald Trump.
US President. That's correct. Foundation Prep International Affairs. Visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Justin Trudeau.
Canadian Prime Minister. That's correct. Jericho English language. Spell acceptable.
ACCEPTABLE.
That's right. Foundation English language. Spell announcement.
ANNOUNCEMENT.
That's right. Jericho Television, another visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
James Bond.
That's incorrect. It's Clint Eastwood. Foundation Television, visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Harrison Ford. Yes.
Harrison Ford.
That's right. Jericho general knowledge. To which continent is Poland located?
Europe.
That's right. That's correct. Foundation general knowledge. On which continent is Malaysia located?
Asia.
That's correct. Jericho social studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Surge Island Farm?
St. Thomas.
That's right. Foundation social studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Denby Showground?
Clarendon.
That's right. Jericho music. Who released the album Mind of Mine in 2016?
Ramin Virgo.
That's incorrect. It's Zayn Malik. Foundation Prep Music. How many members were there originally in the boy band One Direction?
5.
That's right. Jericho Mathematics. 3 numbers total 1,000. If the first 2 are 190 and 300, what's the third number?
510.
That's right. Foundation Prep Mathematics for you. 3 numbers total 2,000. If the first 2 are 500 and 120, what's the third number?
318.
That's incorrect. It's actually 1,380. Jericho Sports, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Theodore Whitmore.
National football coach, that's correct. Foundation Sports, visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
John Brown.
That's incorrect. It's Michael Ricketts, the president of the Jamaica Football Federation. Jericho, Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Alligator lay egg.
But him no foul.
That's correct. Foundation, Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Wanty wanty can't get it.
Getty no wanty.
Getty no wanty.
That's correct. And that's the end of section 1, and both teams are on 9 points as we go into our break. But before we go, a special tip for our kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, start the new school year with a positive attitude. If the last school year was not your best, put it behind you and focus on better this term. Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.